Kevin Costner was revealed to have had strong suspicions about his ex-wife Christine Baumgartner and Josh Connor's romance, which was confirmed earlier this month. The Yellowstone actor, 69, who recently made an appearance at the 81st Golden Globe Awards, had suspected that something was going on between Christine and Josh, a source informed Us Weekly in an article published on Wednesday. The insider also added that the new couple's close bond was a real elephant in the room. Last year in May, Baumgartner notably filed for divorce from the Hollywood star after nearly 19 years of marriage and cited irreconcilable differences. The divorce was finalized months later in September after a tumultuous battle. She has since moved on with the financier and former neighbor, after the pair were first spotted together during a trip to Hawaii last year in July. Late last month in December, Costner was also linked to singer Jewel, 3 months after reaching a divorce settlement. The source also told Us Weekly that since the Oscar winner has also moved on, Christine doesn't think Kevin has anything to complain about. Josh has been Christine's rock throughout the divorce ordeal. If Kevin has a problem with that, that's on him, and also noted that the couple's close friendship had turned romantic relatively recently. In the midst of their divorce proceedings back in August 2023, Kevin claimed that he does not know for a fact if Baumgartner had extramarital affairs but stated that he had been faithful during their marriage. In a legal request for order obtained by People at the time, the mother of 3 had asked for further documentation to prove Costner's finances. Some of the requests included expenses paid by you or any person at your request or on your behalf, relating to any extramarital romantic relationships. In response, the star's legal team stated that the request was propounded only for purposes of harassment, is overbroad as to time period and subject matter, burdensome, oppressive, and impermissibly compound. Costner and his team also added that he does not know for a fact if Christine engaged in any extramarital romantic relationships before separation, and if so, whether she spent any of his money or charged any expenses in furtherance of her affairs on credit cards he paid. The star's attorney stated Kevin has no responsive documents for extramarital romantic relationships in which he engaged because he engaged in none. According to the outlet, New York matrimonial and family law attorney Marilyn B. Chinitz explained that Christine's request was not unusual. While in court that same month in August, she had denied dating the investor, but admitted to receiving a loan of $20,000 from Connor. She explained that she had already paid back $10,000 while the other half had been given to her parents, but stated she would pay the rest back to Josh as well. Following a bitter battle, Kevin and Christine reached a divorce settlement in September 2023. The pair released a joint statement which was provided to dailymail.com that read, Kevin and Christine Costner have come to an amicable and mutually agreed upon resolution of all issues pertaining to their divorce proceedings. The former couple welcomed 3 children during the course of their marriage, Caden, 16, Hayes, 14, and Grace, 13. After a 2-day hearing, Christine was awarded $63,000 a month in child support, a much lower amount than the $165,000 she had requested. Earlier this month, 4 months after the divorce settlement, dailymail.com revealed that Christine has moved on with Josh Connor. She was seen in her Range Rover dropping off her new man at his palatial Montecito home, less than 5 minutes from her own house, after a brief getaway. Later that same day, he was seen making a brief visit to Baumgartner's home, buzzing himself in with his own door clicker. Christine's new man is financier Josh Connor, 49, himself a divorced father of 3 who became legally single on January 3, 2023. The couple also traveled together at Christmas time. Her new banker beau flew her to Hawaii on a private jet, sources told dailymail.com. The pair were previously photographed laughing together on another vacation in Hawaii in July, accompanied by her daughter Grace and his youngest child Abigail, both 13, and it later emerged in court that the banker had loaned her $20,000. Accused by an irate Costner of having a new boyfriend, Baumgartner denied dating Connor under oath during an evidentiary hearing in Santa Barbara last August. Also this month, the pair were repeatedly seen popping in and out of each other's homes, despite both having their children with them. Sources have told dailymail.com that the romance has been going on for some time, with the couple taking a trip to New York in December ahead of their tropical Christmas.